What's going on, guys? Today, 1966 Nova 2, four-door. Don't really see too much of the four doors anymore, and the two doors are getting super hard to find. So here again is a nice budget car that anybody can kind of get into the classic car market, getting a car like this. It's running and driving. You can drive it as it is, take it to car shows. You're going to have a lot of fun in this car. You can fit 4 people in there comfortably, go wherever. It's going to run like a sewing machine. It's got the nice little 230 straight 6-cylinder in it, and it just runs indefinitely. It's like bulletproof, this little engine. It's got good torque for a straight 6-cylinder. It's got a great interior. Other than the clear coat failing, it's a nice little car. It's got the rally wheels. It has a good look. This is a car that when you drive, everybody really likes it. It's that classic, 60s mint green metallic. It's a cool car that's kind of come back into retro time. So it's a fun car to get out there, have a little fun with. Go to some shows. You can take it to the whole nother level if you want. You could LS swap it. It's not like it's a collector's item where you need it all numbers matching. I mean, if you want to put an LS in it with a 6-speed transmission or a 10-speed automatic, you can do whatever you want with this car. It'll be really fun to drive. It's a handful, I'm sure, with all that stuff put in it. But it's a great canvas to kind of start wherever you want. And being that it's completely stock, it's a good start. You don't have to mess with somebody else's 12 other projects from 1966. So, here we try to bring you a little bit of something for everybody. And here it is again, a little budget car for anybody looking to get into the classic car market.